Ja, Leute, IQ nur callen, was obvious ist. Und zwar, dass sie die Story immer weiter zuspitzt. Letztens hat Franklin in einer epischen Rettungsaktion Michael befreien können aus den Händen der Chinesen. Und Michael hat auch schon erwähnt, dass er sie schon mega gefreut und nicht warten kann, endlich wieder in die Filmstudios zu sehen. Und deswegen machen wir genau da jetzt weiter. Die Ballade von Rocco.
Just about. Please, get those millennial ass wipes. With pleasure. You fuckwad!
Let's go!
Hey, here's an old man who might hit back.
Hehehe. Rocco, hatten wir nicht eine Abmachung, verdammte Scheiße? Und jetzt kommst du her und boxt Solomon? So nicht. Hier kommt der Old Man who might fight back. Yo, 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 ne. Ich wollte das anders klären. Ich wollte das anders klären. Tja. Das habt ihr nur davor. Solomon, wir haben's erledigt.
I'm only a paraplegic, but you can't feel anything.
You're throwing me softballs. Rum runner. But speaking of accidents, those guys had one.
Oh, if only we'd met 20 years ago, Michael. Maybe I wouldn't be in this mess.
Yeah, you and me both, brother.
Look, it's a pain, I know. But could you come by the studio now? I got something I'd like to show you.
Na klar, da fahren wir doch direkt rüber. Ah, ich muss das sogar akzeptieren. Yep.
Yeah, of course. I'll be right over.
Klar, Mann. Jetzt bin ich aber gespannt, was er uns zeigen möchte.
Come in. Come in. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it turns out maybe I'm cut out for the movie business after all, huh?
My friend, you're a sentimental thug with zero artistic training and nothing interesting to say. I would say you're overqualified. Anyway, shut up and take a look at that.
Oh mein Gott.
Oh. Fucking A.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Feels like I've finally done something with my life. Actually done something. A movie.
Welcome to show business. Nothing but make-believe will ever feel quite real again.
Gänsehaut.
All right, Michael, come on. Let me show you some rushes. I think you're gonna love it, but it'd be great to hear your notes.
Hey, baby. I just wanted to tell you, I'm finally doing something with my life. I'm making a movie. A real one. Call me.
Oh, das ist süß, wie er das hier gleich erzählen möchte. Alter, geil! Für Michael geht's bergauf und zwar im Showbiz. Ich bin gehypt, ich find's geil. Geil, Alter. Geil, geil, geil. So, nach dem ganzen Schlamassel mit der Entführung und so, schauen wir jetzt erstmal zu Lester. Was er so zum Song hat.
What's going on?
Oh, just enjoying a little labor dispute. See, we're about to do something really, really bad. So I need to present myself as
Das
a
Büro
proper
ausmisten.
magazine.
So you stopped making anything?
Nothing looks more suspicious in America than someone who's actually prepared to make something.
Jesus.
Büro ausmisten, hört sich actually gut
What
an.
about you?
Dass wir vielleicht aus dem Schlamassel rauskommen mit dem FAB.
Trevor, we're having some problems.
Brad.
Yeah, what else?
Yes, anyway, the Union Depository is on hold for now. Can't do it without him, especially now that he knows.
Thank God you guys are here. You alone?
Davey, where's your boyfriend, Steve?
He's on his way up. Yeah, they're up here. Listen, the shit's about to hit the fan.
Our entire lives together has been nothing but a series of fans and shits.
Sort this problem out for me, and I will get Mr. Leisureware off your back.
And if we don't,
Then I will go to jail and you will get shot.
fuck you, Dave. I've heard it all before.
Not like this, you haven't.
Has he briefed you?
Oh, well, yes, he has. He told us that if we do what you say, then together we can take down the big bad wolf that is government corruption.
Yeah, and if you don't, we're all gonna fry because the agency's onto us. I've even got some fools in our own bureau that are questioning my methods. Think I'm a liar, a cheater, some kind of a killer and a thief.
So?
So, there's some, evidence.
And I need you guys to find out what they know.
All right, so what? You want Lester here to hack into the system, wipe it all clean?
Oh, no, that will not work. The only way to access it is through your buildings.
Fuck me.
Michael, you'd be doing me a very big favor. And if you do this, I will make sure that all your files are deleted. I promise you.
Hey, it's the last thing we do, and we're done. Period.
Of course. I'm a man of my word.
Nein, ist er nicht.
Let's go.
Genau deswegen wollen wir hier raus.
Come on, Lester, let's go.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Ja, aber es ist schon richtig so, dass Michael sicher gehen möchte, dass das
Take
wirklich
us to the
der letzte
bureau.
Job ist.
Parking garage entrance.
So, you got any idea how we'll do this? Scope it out?
Not really, but I thought we'd start by finding a way into the building.
Ja.
Going in through the parking lot?
No. We're waiting for someone to come out of it. A janitor.
All right. And how's that gonna get us in?
Well, the janitors are all on temp contracts. They get replaced when their backs go or they ask for a day off. So, we find one of these guys, we turn him, and that's our end.
Okay. There a particular guy?
I'm in the temp company's database right now. I found a guy about to clock off. I've got the file here. Let me see. Harvey Molina, license plate 83QSL722. We'll follow him and see what we think.
Sounds good.
Here we are. Let's wait for him.
Ey, ich bin von denen in die Ego-Perspektive gegangen, das war automatisch.
That's it? That's not it.
Gut,
So, what do you think
ich hab's
about
mir
this
actually
whole
gemerkt.
messed up situation?
Ja,
I think they'll
Kennzeichen.
either kill you after this is done, or keep you doing these stupid jobs until they don't have to kill you because someone else has done it for them.
Ja,
Yeah,
Genau.
that sounds about right.
Ooh, what's this? This is not the car we're looking for.
aber 8. war auf jeden Fall
So
vorhin,
what do we
glaube ich.
do?
Oh, what can we do? We do the job. And maybe you can delete the files when you're inside doing whatever else you're doing. That might be a way out.
Yeah, well, a way out is exactly what I need.
Es ist halt so richtige Kacke, Mann, mit dem FIB. Dort drin zum See
Here
ist
we go.
übel beschissen. Wir wollen unsere eigene Sache machen.
It's hard to get motivated on a job without financial incentive.
You can't put a price on freedom.
Well, that spur won't be there for the crew. I'm gonna ask Mr. Haynes for a budget. Maybe the leftover cash from the Polito score. We need something.
Yeah, see what you can do.
That's the one. You know the
Abfahrt.
drill. Couple of car lengths.
So what's gonna happen when this guy gets wherever he's going?
He's gonna get his severance package.
I can't tell if that's some creepy euphemism or a plain statement of facts.
It's whatever you want it to be.
Okay. Hey, you mind? Put away the smartphone or pad or whatever the hell that is for a minute. No surfing while I'm trying to tail this guy.
It's work related.
Yeah, well, I'd prefer all hands on deck right now, if it's okay with you. God, you're worse than my son.
You want to break into the FIB's West Coast headquarters, you're gonna need more than a janitor's license plate number. And let me work on some angles while you keep this car behind that one and between these white lines.
That's it. I mean, other than a few missing expletives in terms of racial abuse, that was my son in spades.
Nee, man braucht immer so einen
Just spoke with Agent Haynes.
Guy in the Chair. In dem Fall halt eben Lester. Lester ist stark. Lester ist richtig stark im Team.
What do we do when he gets home? What do we need from him?
We need cooperation, and maybe his overalls and an ID.
And if he don't cooperate?
You know what it's like to clean up shit for Steve Haynes? He'll cooperate. He's pulling up. Park down the block. Go in and have a word. Harvey Molina.
Harvey Molina.
Sorry, look, I'm busy.
Wird ja gerade noch von so rot zu wandeln. Hehehe. Das fand ich jetzt so. Ja, Gerey. Genau deswegen spart man immer hinter sich ab.
You got another one of those, Harvey?
Who are you?
The guy with your best interests at heart. Fill your pockets with money and all you gotta do is take a little vacation.
Hey, I work 2 jobs, man. Take any break I can get.
Good.
Hey, you want the beer?
Nah, just take the overalls. Oh, and your ID.
It's in there.
Oh, and Harvey. I probably don't need to say this, but you don't play ball, I'll be forced to do something I really don't want to do. Enjoy your beer.
Ja, das ist ja arschlässig gegangen. Also, ja, es gab absolut keine Gegenwehr, aber gut. Wenn man so bedroht wird vom Mann im Anzug, einfach so random in deiner Butze, hätte ich wahrscheinlich Arschschiss. Aber der war ziemlich gechillt.
Successful?
Oh, yeah.
Take me back to the factory. That was easy.
Guess you were right. Steve Haynes is a shitty boss.
Hey, I called Frank while you were in there. He's coming to meet us.
Yeah, huh? What do we need him for?
Grunt work. Information gathering.
What information?
The plans to the office. There aren't any digital copies, or if there are, I'm not clever enough to find them. The architect is LS Base, so I thought Frank could tail him and take a hard copy.
Sounds complicated. You sure you need these plans?
Yeah, I do. If I'm gonna find a way to bypass a couple of $100 million worth of government security.
Millions? They blew that much?
Government contracts. License to steal.
Wow. We are in the wrong business.
No, we've just taken the wrong contracts.
Ja, so kann man es auch sagen.
He's
Ah,
already here.
lol, als ob. Na, das ist Bullshit, das kann nicht sein. Junge, wir waren 200 Meter weiter vorne, da hast du gesagt, wir brauchen Franklin. Junge, laber nicht. Hey, Frank.
Hey, what's the problem, dog?
Steve fucking Haynes.
Of course it's Steve fucking Haynes. It's always Steve Haynes.
That is not strictly true. It's either Steve Haynes or it's Trevor or it's his family. It's always one of them.
Yeah, that's true. It is always one of them. Well, fat old fuck with a horrible family and even worse friends. I told you, Franklin, I ain't a good role model.
Yeah,
Period.
whatever, dog. It's either this or dealing dime bags. The bullets come cracking at your ass either way.
Thanks.
We need to find out something about this FIB building, a weakness or a way in. Next time I meet a morally destitute, totally delusional, highly corrupt government agent, I hope he's a nice one.
I'm not going in that motherfucker by myself.
No. Nobody is going in. We need to do some recon. We need a little more information.
Shit.
I need the architectural plans, but they're not online anywhere, so I'm gonna need paper copies. Now, the architect's name is Chip Peterson. This was his first big commission, and the office is down in Backlot City.
All right. Franklin, you go tell him for a little while, and then we'll talk.
All right, dog, I got you.
Try not to hurt yourself.
Oh, good.
Da bin ich echt mal gespannt, ob wir aus der Nummer mit dem FIB wieder rauskommen. Aber es hilft ja nichts. Irgendwie müssen wir es schaffen. Es wird hart unangenehm, wenn wir nicht selbstständig wirklich sind. No! Oh mein Gott, jetzt siege ich es ja erst. Mr. Keine Ahnung, was hat's immer gekostet? Himbeermus oder keine Ahnung? No way. Ich könnte mal ganz kurz was erzählen, was mir letztens in Real Life passiert ist. Was passiert? Es ist nichts wirklich passiert, aber bei mir in der Straße ist letztens ein Auto vorbeigefahren, der es wirklich genau diesen Stil hier gehabt hat. Und dazu auch noch die gleiche Farbe wie das für Trevor und auch ein bisschen heruntergekommen. Ich habe mir gedacht so, oh shit, was ist jetzt los? Bei einer Mission ist jetzt Trevor unterwegs, mit dem legt er sich diesmal hoch. Bei mir in der Straße ist nicht gut. Aber der hat Himbeermus noch nicht vorhin gehabt. Ja, Josh, wir sind's wieder. Haha.
Tony, oh, you nailed that bastard. All right, go ahead. She's waiting for you, right upstairs, okay? Bouncy, bouncy. All right.
Ah! Stimmt, Bouncy Bouncy. Bouncy Bouncy gibt's wieder.
You're freaking me out, man.
Ja, du mir auch, Mann. Nächste Belohnung. Bouncy Bouncy. Aber der Kollege hat sicher wieder Mission für uns. Grundbesitzlos.
Hope you had a good time up there. Huh?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Der mit dem anderen Dude jetzt
Not bad. Where you know her from? You
den
ain't the pimp type.
Grund wegnehmen oder was?
She's my wife. I left my first wife and kids for her. Best decision
Was?
I ever made. Oh, fantastic. I mean, she's been the making of me.
Whatever gets you off.
Jedem das seine.
Listen,
Ist richtig.
if you're up for it.
Aber der Ausdruck sollte nicht mehr verwendet werden, ehrlich gesagt.
Where I was standing out in front of? Yeah. You remember it? Okay.
Googles das mal, wo das herkommt.
That's my old place, and it's in foreclosure. But, well, if something was to happen in the place, you know, some gas gets spilled, I'd still get the full value in the insurance. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I understand.
I love you. I'm real glad that you fucked my wife.
What the fuck?
Oh, by the way, there's a can of gas in my car that you can take. Okay?
Junge, Alter, so hätte ich wahrscheinlich auch reagiert. Oh mein Gott, Alter. I'm really glad you fucked my wife. Sachen, die ich nicht verstehen kann. Anyways. Trevor, du Vollidiot. Josh!
It's me, bud. Listen,
Immer noch nicht Tony.
Out by the pool. Now you light that up, and I'll be able to see the fireworks from here. Now you do this for me, and you will see just how grateful Mrs. Bernstein can really be.
Leave it to me. Just feed her up a bit, will ya?
Stimmt, Trevor hat er, sorry, nicht so richtig hundertprozentig gelesen, aber er hat glaube ich gemeint, auch vorher gemeint, dass sie recht dünn ist. Und dass sie jetzt nochmal ein bisschen aufhudern, aber in der kurzen Zeit passiert nichts. Es ist so feucht, aber fühlt sich so richtig aus, sagt Trevor. Ja, schwierig, schwierig. Aber Prinzipien sollte man dann doch um. Ja, noch Dinge, ob man jemanden schadet oder nicht. Wie gehen wir da jetzt rein? So.
Okay, time to light the grill.
Lass mich den Grill anhorzen. Da ist der Kanister. Jo.
You know, Trevor, you could just go to a prostitute. All for you, Mrs. Bernstein.
Digga, hat der so Bock drauf? Oh mein Gott.
Nice place, but give me the Billingsgate Motel any day.
Gut.
That's gonna attract attention. I should probably get out of here.
Jupp. Oh, what? So krass gleich? Holy shit. Ja, da muss man definitiv weg.
Josh Bernstein, Realty.
I hear that property on Eclipse is hot right now.
Excellent. Let me speak to my better half about schedules and we'll get back to you.
Das ist einfach nur verrückt. Grundbesitz los. Dankeschön. Gibt sie wieder Honka Honka? Oder wie haben die das gesagt? Wie dem auch sei. Das war's dann mit dieser Folge GTA. Die nächste Folge findet ihr in der Endcard, sobald sie online ist. Bewertung nicht vergessen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Nicht verpassen.